He tried to get violence on violence, huh?
On blood on blood.
Man.
Yeah, I was telling him how you kept trying to race my C6, so I was like, feel me? You were trying to handicap.
So Mike gonna go get the big homie on me. That's all right.
Hold on, let me go get my partner for me.
All right, so what's the deal with this?
Yeah, it's got a 2650, bro. It's almost max effort.
Okay.
It's got some room to grow. Like literally everything done to it.
Okay.
Besides like full E85, like the 4 injection, bro.
Yeah.
How much torque?
Over 1,000.
Where is your peak torque at?
Peak torque, I think like 45-ish RPM.
So what gear are you at 50?
50? Oh, I should have it on second, but I do third. And my fucking RPM is really low.
Okay.
But I don't mind it, bro. We just did a third gear forward, like we're safe, we're chilling.
Okay.
We'll do 55, just so my RPM is a little bit higher.
Alright, you're gonna ride with him?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, my hit.
Huh?
My hit.
How you get the hit?
Nigga.
Lighter.
Alright, it's on y'all. Go ahead. Right here. Yep, just go for it. I got it. Go for it. I got it. Go for it.
I wanna go.
God damn. Yeah, that's why I said give me the hit. I was trying to keep the wheelie down. That nigga took off. That nigga said, here nigga, bye nigga. Well, I'm fine riding really close to you. I'm perfectly fine with that. But we will, as long as you got the lane that you feel like keeping going, that we're good. Okay, give me the hit. Hold on, wait. 3, 2, 1, go. God damn! Hey, I kept the wheelie down a little bit. Damn, that motherfucker's quick.
Dude, this thing feels crazy.
Hey. So, like, how much power does it have?
I don't know, to be honest. I don't know what it makes.
It'll take at least 1,000 to walk a liter bike. Yeah. That motherfucker was shit.
Dude, it's quick. And
yeah.
It's crazy because it's so smooth on the inside.
Yeah. Newer cars, yeah. And like this is tuned sprockets and everything, so it puts down 170 on the ground and 80 pound-feet of torque. So it's not slow. That's what I'm saying. So that motherfucker's moving. So this is a short sprocket, so it's like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. My other sprocket is more of a usable gear. This is still overpowering that. So it's like the other sprocket, I'm in the gear a little longer, so I can use my power a little longer.
Yeah.
Good race, man. That's fast.
That boy was on a wheelie like.
That's why I said, yo, let me get the hit, dog.
And then I saw him pulling wheelies and it was just fucking.
Hey, I'm trying because I don't have, like, this bike doesn't have traction control, wheelie control, none of that bullshit. It's just me and his wrist, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm trying to, like, manage that shit. Hey, I heard that bitch. I said, good Lord, nigga. I look over and you were right there. I said, yep, nope. You ride around all the time with the slicks on?
Yeah, it's
it hooks up like
street tires, yeah.
No, we got right here, you can hear him sticking to the ground. I'm like, man, that's what I need.
That's tight, and then you could change your wheels and nobody would be the wiser.
That's what I was just telling Mike. Like, the car looks bone stock. If it didn't have those wheels, bro, you would think it's stock. There's nothing, added to it. It looks stock. Nasty. That's what I like about it. It's like low profile, you know?
Red 8 at Sonoma, right?
Yeah.
Red 8 at Sonoma.
Oh, shit. So what'd you trap, 150, 140 something?
No, 159.
With headwind.
And it was 100 degrees that day. 3,500 DA.
Different levels like fast right here.